In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save files from Google Drive to USB drive. By the end, you'll have a copy of your selected file or folder from Google Drive saved onto your USB drive using Windows. First, open Google Drive in your web browser. Go to drive.google.com and wait for your Drive files to load on the screen. Next, select the file or folder you want to save. Click once to highlight it. You'll see it become selected. If you choose a folder, Google Drive will package it as a zip file during download. That's normal and helps keep everything together. Now, click Download. You can right-click the selected item and choose Download, or use the Download button at the top. Watch for the download to start in your browser. You may see a brief preparing download message if it's a folder. The file will save to your computer, typically in the Downloads folder. Wait for the download to finish before moving on, so you don't copy an incomplete file. Insert your USB drive into a USB port on your computer. Give Windows a moment to recognize it. If any pop-ups appear, you can close them for now. We'll access the USB drive directly in File Explorer. Open File Explorer on Windows. Click the folder icon on the taskbar or open it from the Start menu. You'll see a navigation panel on the left and your folders and drives on the right. From here, locate the downloaded file. Click Downloads in the left panel to open the Downloads folder. Your Google Drive download should be here. If you downloaded a folder, you'll see a zip file with the folder's name. If you downloaded a single file, you'll see that file listed. Make sure the download is complete. The file size should be fully shown and not changing. Now, drag the downloaded file into your USB folder. In the left panel, find your USB drive under this PC. Click the drive once to open it so you can see its contents. Arrange the window so you can see both the Downloads folder and the USB drive, or simply use the back and forward buttons to navigate. Click and hold the downloaded file in Downloads, then drag it over to the USB drive's window and release. Windows will copy the file to the USB drive. Watch the progress bar and wait until it reaches 100%. If it's a large file or a zip, the copy may take a bit longer. That's expected. At this point, your Google Drive file or folder copy is on the USB drive. You can confirm by opening the USB drive and checking that the file is listed there. If you copied a zip, it will appear as a single compressed file, which is fine to keep as is on the USB drive. That's it. You've saved your file from Google Drive to your USB drive, and it's ready to use on any other computer. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.